The Great Wall of China, a name that echoes through history. It is a monument to human endeavor, a testament to the power of collective will. Snaking across mountains and deserts, it is an architectural marvel. The Great Wall is not just one wall, but a series of fortifications built over centuries. Its story is a fascinating blend of engineering, politics, and human struggle. This immense structure, visible even from space, has captured imaginations for generations. But how was it built? Who were the masterminds behind this ancient wonder? Join us as we delve into the secrets of the Great Wall, exploring its construction, purpose, and lasting impact on China and the world. Contrary to popular belief, the Great Wall wasn't built in a single dynasty. Its construction spanned centuries with contributions from various rulers and dynasties. The earliest sections date back to the 7th century BC. During the reign of the first emperor Qin Shi Huang, he sought to unify China and protect it from nomadic invaders. Over the centuries that followed, subsequent dynasties like the Han, Sui, and Ming added to and reinforced the wall. The Ming dynasty, from 1368 to 1644, is credited with the most extensive construction, creating the impressive structures we see today. Millions of laborers, including soldiers, peasants, and even convicts, toiled tirelessly on this colossal project. The Great Wall's construction involved a fascinating array of materials, dictated by geography and available resources. In the early stages, particularly during the Qin dynasty, the primary material was rammed earth. This involved compacting layers of soil and gravel between wooden frames, creating solid defensive walls. Later dynasties, particularly the Ming, incorporated bricks and stone into the construction. Bricks offered greater strength and durability, while stone was readily available in mountainous regions. The use of these materials varied depending on the location and period of construction. Building a wall of this magnitude across such diverse terrain required ingenious engineering techniques. The construction process began with careful planning and surveying. Workers used tools like ropes, plumb lines, and compasses to ensure the wall's alignment and stability. To transport materials like earth, bricks, and stone, workers relied heavily on human and animal power. Wheelbarrows, carts, and even baskets carried by humans and animals were common sights along the construction route. The ingenuity of these ancient builders is evident in their ability to overcome logistical challenges and create a structure of such enduring strength. Section 5. Logistical nightmares, challenges faced during construction. Building the Great Wall was a monumental undertaking, fraught with challenges. One of the biggest hurdles was the sheer scale of the project. The terrain itself posed significant obstacles, with steep mountains, treacherous deserts, and vast distances to cover. Transporting materials and coordinating labor across such a vast area was a logistical nightmare. Harsh weather conditions, from scorching summers to freezing winters, further hampered construction efforts. Despite these challenges, the ancient Chinese persevered, driven by a collective vision of security and unity. Section 6. Beyond bricks and mortar, the purpose of the Great Wall. The Great Wall was more than just a physical barrier. It served a multitude of purposes, evolving over time. Its primary function was defense, acting as a deterrent against invading armies and raiding parties. The wall's imposing height and strategic watchtowers allowed soldiers to monitor movements and defend against attacks. Beyond defense, the wall also served as a symbol of Chinese strength and unity. It demarcated the boundary between the civilized world and the perceived barbarians beyond. The wall facilitated trade and communication, with checkpoints along its length regulating the flow of goods and people. To Section 7, a land divided, a culture forged, impact on region and civilization. The construction of the Great Wall had a profound impact on China's development, shaping its political, economic, and cultural landscape. The wall's construction fostered a sense of national identity, bringing together diverse groups of people in a shared endeavor. The wall's defensive role ensured the stability and prosperity of Chinese civilization, allowing for the flourishing of arts, culture, and trade within its protected borders. However, it also created a physical and psychological barrier, reinforcing a sense of division between China and the outside world. Section 8. Mysteries and Misconceptions, Debunking Common Myths. The Great Wall of China is shrouded in myths and misconceptions. One of the most prevalent is that it's the only human-made structure visible from space. While it's an impressive sight, it's not visible to the naked eye from orbit. Another myth claims that millions of workers died during construction and their bodies are buried within the wall. While there were casualties, this claim is exaggerated. The Great Wall's construction was undoubtedly arduous, but it wasn't a death sentence for its builders. Section 9. A Timeless Legacy, the enduring symbol of the Great Wall. Centuries after its construction, the Great Wall of China continues to captivate and inspire. It stands as a testament to human ingenuity, resilience, and the pursuit of security and unity. Its legacy extends beyond its physical presence, serving as a potent symbol of Chinese culture and history. Today, the Great Wall attracts millions of visitors each year who come to marvel at its grandeur and reflect on its enduring legacy. It remains a source of pride for the Chinese people and a reminder of the power of collective effort in shaping the course of human history.